Getting to the money, everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money.
What up, YouTube and Wise Nation? It's your boy Shannon the Wise here. Want to welcome everybody with a Wise Nation salute. You hear me? And all my Wise Nation affiliates, man, welcome back. Welcome back. Man, welcome back. You hear me? So look, I got a little bonus footage here today. Wasn't nothing that, was planned. But, I got a little lucky. And I'm going to show you how lucky I got. The theme of this video. So, it ain't really no unboxing because I had to see what it was already. But I'm going to let y'all check it out. Shit. I'm excited by it. You know what I mean? And I hope y'all excited too. This is going to be a short video. Like I said, I'm going to take y'all on the ride with me along with all the stuff I do, Work been hectic for me. I've been trying to get videos. I got videos. While I'm recording this video, I just want y'all to know I got other videos I recorded. The ones y'all seen coming before this, they was already recorded. So, but never mind that. Let's get to what y'all came here for. Boom! Bust that thing open. Straight out of Flight Club. The Nike AF107 Shamrocks, baby. I said, you can't get this in the store, you heard me? You never could. Had to order these things online. And if y'all seen my video with the PGs, you see how the little tinsels are on this? You see they accented with the little gold, And look. That's what I'm saying. They could have did that with the PG5s. Accented with the little accent on the end. And put some of the little PlayStation icons and stuff. Look at that. If y'all don't know, man, green my favorite color. Lakers my favorite basketball team, man. Y'all see it. Look at here. It's the football team. And guess what? If I want to rock that, it ain't Boston Celtic, baby. They got Eagle Green in here too, you feel me? So look. Look at that. Ooh! Sickness. Well, they got the pine green on it. What's the other, lime green? Let's see. It's a pine green, mean green, white. Okay, so there's mean green right here. Alright. With the little, it got the gold accent, the AF1, the tab on the toe, the gold tinsel. You hear me? Man. Whoever sold me these shoes, man, they got them dirty. Yeah, ain't nothing. They got something on the shoe right there, man. Look, I don't really care for that. Like that really it just cheesed me off a little bit. But because I like the shoes so much, and they look pretty much unworn. I don't see what nobody worn them. So look at that. Got the green sole, you hear me? Got the authentic Flight Club tab. Okay. So look here. I want y'all to know what y'all rate these. You feel me? 1 to 10. Yeah. I'm gonna give them an 8. Just because I'm not an Air Force One person, but I like these. And just because I don't really rock low tops too often, but I like these. You hear me? Like I can put a fire fit together with this. Y'all seen my other videos, man. You know, shit, the GLD, Ice Click. Got some gemstone guys coming in. We gonna be rocking. I can rock some little bling with it. You hear me? I'm gonna have to give me some gold to go with this. Boy, gonna be sharp as a tack, you hear me? But look here. Without further ado, if y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Bang, bang, bang that like button, you hear me? You ain't got no YouTube homie, you cruising through YouTube, and you want to check out some unboxing and some fresh reviews, man, bang that subscribe button, man. Come join the movement, man. Shannon the Wise, man. I love y'all, baby. I'm out.